Hey guys, thank you for liking my typewriter animation so much. Here I am with a similar yet more effective one, so let's get into it really quick. Firstly, get your intro screen in place and fix your components for the words you wanna animate. Place them in the respective frame and now it's time to prototype. The trigger is after delay of 200 milliseconds and the animation is instant. Replicate and connect all the frames in the same fashion to enjoy the magic happening for itself. Wait no more, include this animation in your design project today and follow for more.